Okay, we are live now. A very warm welcome to all those who are watching us at Inspiring Indian Women on Facebook Live. We are very happy that today we have two entrepreneurs who want to talk about their journey, about what they do. And if you want to join their business or any questions related to how to go about it and how to serve others through their business. We're all open and you're free to join in, and our login details are all there on the Facebook. And let me introduce to you our first guest, the very enterprising Nishi Gill. Okay, I'm just going to put Nishi on spotlight. And before I begin introduction, let us all wish everybody a very, very happy Makar Sankranti, Lori, Pongal, Bihu, and all the lovely festivals that you all are celebrating today. May the sun god shower all the blessings to all you lovely people. So we are going to now begin our show, and this show is specifically brought to you by IIWE Outlet, an outlet which has begun to define women entrepreneurship in the best possible manner, where you emerge, evolve, and expand. Nishi, welcome to Inspiring Indian Women.
Thank you. Thank you, Rashmi.
I have been following you, Nishi, quite a while now, and it's so much fun to see how dedicated you are in whatever you do. And you have been pushing really hard to see that all the insurance problem gets solved. And I wonder, like, how you manage this insurance business. And before I want to say, Nishi is originally from India and in UK from last 23 years. And she's been working as a payroll specialist for a lot of companies. But during COVID, she had a lot of time in hand. So she really wanted to do insurance and took qualification for it. A very well, fully qualified protection advisor. And she can give codes for different insurance policies. And fantastic. Insurance has always been a very mysterious subject for me, personally, because of the money involved and all. And I'm very much, what you say, having this phobia regarding numbers. So let's hand it over to Nishi. Nishi, tell us all about what you do and how you came to it.
Okay, thank you very much, Rashmi. So first, I would like to really thanks Rashmi for inviting me to this webinar. This has, to be honest, I'm telling you all, this is my first live webinar ever on insurance. I've never thought about it because, to be honest, I was just, because I have quite a lot of good network as well, I was getting the clients very regularly and very frequently. So, but when I saw, okay, there is a Zoom meeting, so it just, thought so that I should, present myself, everyone on a live channel so that everybody knows who I am. So a lot of people know me already. So as Rashmi ji already said, I'm originally from India. From Mohali, near Chandigarh. It's a very beautiful town, but in UK now from last 23 years. So I have been doing the commercial jobs, from so many years, and I have been on a contract. Always did contract, never was in a permanent job. So, but I am setting myself for a few years, where I don't have to do 9-to-5 job, and then I have to, do something which I can do in my own time. So I think this COVID situation has helped a lot in that, because during the COVID, I started exploring more opportunities, like, what is that kind of business, which can give me happiness, which can help people, where I can protect people in somehow. So I saw in COVID, a lot of people were so so upset, for so many things. They have lost their near loved and loved and near ones. So a lot of issues, and people were actually, to be honest, is for 1 year, like the insurance has gone up so high. Like this field has gone because people wanted to have insurance because there is so much uncertainty, in the life. So which these 2 years have shown us we can be going smoothly in our life. There is no problems, but out of blue there can be something just coming up in our life. So that's where I started thinking, this is a field where I can excel, and I started looking for it. And then basically I just got somebody who could, with the companies. I'm with the All Financial Limited, so I took the qualification from that and became the protection advisor. So I can give the quotes for the different insurance policies. So I will tell you which insurance policies I cover, and I will tell you why you should take the insurance policies. So, so first, the insurance policies which I cover is a life insurance, critical illness, income protection, accident and injury insurance. I will cover that one a little bit later because a lot of people haven't heard about this insurance. And there's only few companies who provide this insurance. And the next one is the home insurance, which everybody needs it. So everybody has to have home insurance if you own a property, and even in the rented property we need to have the insurances. So these are the type of insurances I can give quotes for. So obviously, this all depends upon the person-to-person circumstances. There will be a lot of fact finds which we needed to collect from the people who wanted insurance, right? So, and then never one quote is a similar to the other quote. So every quote is designed, is customized to their own need analysis, whatever the needs are. So I'm going to talk about now why anybody should take these insurances in their life. So these are very sensitive topics which we don't discuss very often, because very emotional aspect is attached to these insurances, especially life insurance. So we are talking about when somebody is going to die, right? So we are going to die, everybody is going to die, right? So what we are trying to do it here is, if something happens in our early age, and we have so many bills to pay, we have mortgage to pay, we have monthly bills to pay, everything we have to pay, how we are going to protect our dependents, for example, our partners, our children. So we have something in place which can help people who really loved us? So, or are we just not thinking about it, or are we not having any insurance? So these are the things for the life insurance. So I'm just going to quickly share my screen with you, where I will talk about few insurances. Um, just give me a few seconds. I'm just trying to bring the screen on here. It's just not letting me share. Let me just do it again from my
If you want, you can use another laptop. Is it?
Yeah, I'm just trying to see if I can put it again. Okay. Oops. And give me one more chance. Let me just try one more time. Okay, so strange, it's not letting me share on this one, so I might have to try on the another one.
What we can do is, as you are trying that, we can start our session with Gaikwad ji. Meanwhile, you just try and get
Okay.
that. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. We can catch up then in a minute. Yeah.
Okay. So let me put Gaikwad ji on spotlight.
Hey,
yes. Hi there.
Thank you.
Welcome to the show. Inspiring Indian Women generally promotes women entrepreneurs, but we would be happy to have you. We are very happy to have you, privileged indeed, because through you, many women can connect to a business and be self-reliant, get something, get some pennies coming through. And we want to know what kind of business you are in, and you offer franchisee to women entrepreneurs, bring them on their platform, and get them on board to be self-reliant. So, Mr. Baba Saheb Gaikwad ji, you're right now based in Mumbai and had stayed in UK for many years, and it gives us a great privilege to welcome you on the show, sir. Uh, can we? Yes. So there it is, Aqua Miracle. That's his company, for which he is working as a sales person. So I would like to just talk a little bit about him. His profession is water ionizers, purification, integration. And he's based in Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. And it is all about fitness, nutrition sales, and earth moving contracts. And I would be glad if I can hand over to Baba Sahib to talk about his business and what he does and how can women connect with him. Over to you, Baba Sahib.
Thank you very much, Rashmiji. And this is an awesome platform, and I got this opportunity. Thanks for this one. So, my name is Baba Saheb Gaikwad, and my company name is Aqua Miracle. I have registered this company in order to spread wellness and health across the globe. So, primarily, all of my businesses are aligned with the wellness of people, and there is a reason behind that. When I was on sites, I used to get a lot of issues in my body. I was experiencing blood pressure issues, and then I thought that this is not the great situation in which people should live. So I thought of how we can improve, and I have driven a lot of initiatives regarding wellness, and I found this water is also one of the key reason. In fact, it's a influencing factor in a human body. So we have 70% of water, and throughout the life from birth, we take this water in body. So I jumped into this business because this have given me great benefits. So I would like to use this session in order to help women to grow rather than promoting my business, because anyway I am doing my business, and I would like to help people. So there are many other businesses also, but this is one of the business which I will be talking about. So I'm working in total water solutions, right from exploring till packaging and dispatching. So here, uh, Let me know once you see my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. So this is very common situation, right? So what do you do now in this situation?
Yeah,
You
look for
plug
a
charger,
charger. Yeah.
right? Yes. So you look for a charger and that charges your mobile phone. So health insurance is something which is definitely you should go for that, and health insurance protect your wealth, and that will be very good in term like when you are in situation where you need money outside when you are traveling and all. So when you go to the fuel station, definitely you will be putting good fuel in your vehicle, right? So now coming to your own body. Your body is 70% water, and you need three factors to charge your body. Everything on this planet is made up of cells, and your body is nothing different. So your body is also made up of cells. So in order to charge your body, you need clean oxygen, you need good food, and you need good water. So these are the things which charges your body. And a difference between dead body and peak performing body is that charge only. That is known as healing voltage. So during this pandemic, what doctors have said, in fact, not only in pandemic, during regular time also, doctor says consume antioxidants, consume alkaline food, keep your body hydrated, and maintain oxygen level. So this is what my company also says. I am into sales and service and supports of water ionizers, and this is the water which is healthy water on this planet. So selling machines is not the goal. The goal is to improve life of people as much as possible. What we do sales in the global market. After sales supports we provide. We take annual maintenance contracts, corporate, and we do rentals in different organizations. We do deep cleaning services. We provide e-cleaning services. We provide installation services and in personal or virtual demonstration of at remote sites. So why you need to go through us? With Aqua Miracle, you can be assured after sales service and rentals, uninterrupted supply of pure tap water with a SLA of 1 day. So I am capable to replace your machine within 1 day's failure, and annual maintenance contract. This will assure you quality of water throughout the life cycle. And this is Japanese company in which I deal into, and this company have 47 years of history. And this is not a normal water filter. This is next level of water filters. This is ISO 13485 medical grade equipment. Like you put raw water one side, and another side you get medicines which are very good, like antioxidants, alkaline, and this is thin water. So this water ionizers is endorsed by 12,000 plus medical professionals and institutions, and 15 to 20 years is the life cycle of this machines. And American Anti-Cancer Institute have endorsed this product. So benefits, now when there are a lot of benefits, but the primary benefit is that will keep you in wellness. So you can easily correlate that illness is better or wellness. So this will keep you in wellness because this prevents damages in your body. So how do you prevent those damages, and what is the technical details of that water? I will invite you separately for my demonstration, which takes at least 40 minutes. But yes, in this session, I will tell you how you can be onboarded, and how what kind of benefits you will receive from this business, and what is the business and why you should go into the business. That is the objective of this session. So these are the celebrities who are already using these products, and you might be wondering what is the who is the advisory body of these people. So they have a lot of money, but they invested on the best product. They invest on best things in their life. So these are the certifications for this product: ISO 13485, Water Quality Association's Gold Seal Award, and FDA approval, and many more certifications. So I would like to invite you for my session differently to understand the technicalities of water. So what normally I look for? I look for normally for brand conscious people who value brand values, and they look for quality into their life. Like they will go for quality material, they will look for quality clothes, they will look for quality toys, they will go for good schools for their children. So in UK also, and in normal everywhere, people look for good schools for their children, right? So why people go to Sutton? Sutton is very good known for grammar schools, I guess, and that's what people look for, quality. So I always look for the people who value for money and they look for quality. Second category of people who have some lifestyle related issues like diabetes, blood pressure, cholesterol, thyroid. So I'm not a doctor, I'm an engineer, I don't take any medical claim, but yes, people do experience a lot of good things out of this water. And third category of people for which I'm here in this session, I always look for aspiring entrepreneurs who are looking to start for a business. I give them platform, I do all handholding activities, and I onboard entrepreneurs on an international platform, and that platform is a BNI, and I am director consultant for that platform, and I do all handholding activities, and I establish those entrepreneurs on that platform. Then I look for pathological lab owners and or medical practitioners who can do collaboration, and the insurance person who do always deal with claims and taking new clients. And I do look for builders, developers, and interior designers, architects, and sanitary wares or kitchen manufacturers for integration these products into their designs. So hotel owners, restaurants owners are also good because they may be looking to deliver value to their clients. And last, water purifier technicians in your area who deal into water purification machines, those are good collaborative partners. And with whom I can connect you as an entrepreneur. I can connect you with construction material manufacturers, garment manufacturers, grain suppliers, stone crushers and quarry owners, uh, UK, Asian stores in UK, logistics experts for import export. I can connect you with civil contractors, and I can connect you with kitchen manufacturers in UK. I can connect you with fitness trainers in UK, US, and Canada, and I can connect you with estate agents in Navi Mumbai, and I can connect you with property letting agents in UK, and different banks. So these are my gives to this forum, and if you want to get connected to this any of these people, do let me know. And these are my links. I'm available on LinkedIn, Instagram, and every weekend I do have my technical demonstration. You are more than welcome to see my demonstrations, and then you can take your decisions. So why you need to do a business? So this is very important question, that why you need to find out why you need to do the business. So 9 to 5 job will give you some stable income. So Nishiji have already talked about that, and I do endorse and I do support that. 9 to 5 job is something you will be depending on your buckets. So every month end you will draw salary, and uh, you will be doing expenses out of that. But you might have seen in COVID situation where people are jobless and they are struggling. So this platform provides you an entrepreneurship where you can be your own, you will be independent, and whatever you put efforts, you will be able to reap benefit out of that. And since this is a Japanese platform, and a 9 to 5 job, many 80% of people are already stressed with 9 to 5 jobs, and they want to do something. They look for like genuine platforms, and there are less platforms which are genuine, and there are a lot of Ponzi schemes and all. But I do invite people to see this platform, and I do handholding. And 9 to 5 jobs, I do help people to come out of that comfort zone and establish globally. This platform is available globally, 23 countries, 40 country locations, and through this platform, I do my work in 150 countries. So at this moment, I am looking for connects in African continents and US and Canada. So if you want to grow in this business, you are more than welcome, and I'm open for questions now.
Fantastic, Baba Saheb. That was a very insightful. Yes, definitely, water safe water solution is the way to be. Do you have service centers all over the world? Like, say for example in Africa, you say, so when you
Mhm.
provide the solutions there, franchisee and also. Um, will you be able to provide service centers, something to take care about?
Absolutely, absolutely. And this is a very, very good questions. So, like whenever you go for some product or some like electronics or mechanical, you will always see for service centers. And absolutely, it's a machine, it can fail, and that will definitely need service centers. But what do you think? Those companies who have a lot of service centers, are they good? Or those companies who have less service centers, those are good? So, yep.
Yeah, carry on. Actually, yes, we are still in that Indian mindset that,
Yeah.
when something spoils, get it repaired
Yeah,
rather
yeah,
than throw
absolutely.
it out.
Yeah, so I do completely agree with that. But
Mm,
yes, so those companies who have a lot of service centers, I mean, that product is tend to fail more. There might be some failure ratios. And this product, which is manufactured in Japan, no one else is this product manufactured. This is being manufactured in Japan, Osaka factory, and that manufacturing unit have ISO 13485 certifications. Means it's a medical grade equipment, MRI, CT scan, blood pressure machines. So that level of precision you get, and Japanese product fails very less. But yes, we do have service centers in 23 countries and 40 locations through which these services are offered.
That's nice to know. That's very good to know. So, obviously, there's a lot of competition in this market with very established brands and all.
Mhm.
But I'm sure this is Aqua Mineral will do much better because you have, and it's less money. It doesn't cost that much also. Yeah, if
Yeah,
I'm right.
Aqua Miracle. Let me remind you, Aqua Miracle is my own venture, and I do sell different ionizers. So at this moment, I'm talking only on Kangen Water, which is
Mm,
Japanese company, and it's a ISO 13485 facility and product. And
mm.
yes, so not all product are cheap product because those are cheap. So this is an valuable product, and it's an asset for you.
Mm. So in UK, actually, we end up drinking the water directly from the tap because it's quite clean and pure. And
Mhm.
only problem is it's very hard water. So
Absolutely.
people just end up using softeners and all. So do you think it'll be a good uh, option to get this at home in UK?
Yeah, absolutely. So let me tell you, this is an water conditioner. It's not a water purifier or something like that. It's not going to play around with hardness of the water. So whatever mechanism you are using, you need to use that mechanism and you need to put this machine in front of that system. And this will give you water which is full of antioxidants, and that water is going to be thin water, and this water is going to be alkaline. So you know what is the importance of antioxidants and all. So
Mm.
this is just water conditioners. So if you are experiencing, and believe me, so your body when baby is born, that boy baby is born with 7.4 pH of alkaline level in the blood, and throughout the life that alkaline level needs to be maintained, and this water helps you to maintain your lifestyle.
Oh,
Backbone
that's.
of your body is very important, and
Mm,
woman is the backbone of every family. So you
mm.
definitely need to maintain family health. So this is excellent product, I can say.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. It's
It's good.
like,
So
yeah, continue, please. Continue, please.
yeah, so I would like to invite women entrepreneurs to explore this platform. So I'll be able to like explain how this can be beneficial for them and how they can take. And this is like even if you open any cake shop also or any shop, so you need to do some investment. And you need to earn something to get rid of liabilities. So this is a very good platform where you can start with zero liability and you don't need much. You will experience this first and then you will start. बोलते हैं ना पहले इस्तेमाल करो फिर विश्वास करो. It's a kind of that. Again,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
illness is not something which you might be intended to land up, but yes, wellness is something which is good. So yep, change your water, change your life.
Because in UK there's one more thing. Because of the hardness of the water, we Indians tend to suffer a lot of hair fall.
Mhm.
Lot of hair fall. So do you think that can be put in the bathroom and all to wash hair? Like,
I have a separate shower. I have a separate shower for that one, and that shower costs you something around 1,900 euros. So that shower you can put into your bathroom, and you won't feel any hair fall and all. But yes, as I mentioned, that these are the conditioners. You need to have water conditioner or water softener first in a main house. And I am looking to provide an entire solution for your house also. Again, that is electromagnetic based water conditioner, which will be zero maintenance for 5 years. And at this moment, I'm looking to run POC in UK, and as soon as that POC is done, then I will be supplying that to UK.
fantastic. Completely understandable that water is the lifeline, and to condition a water is much more important than anything else to maintain the family health. Yes, COVID has taught us to keep it as a priority, health and wellness. And Mr. Gaikwad, it's been so nice to connect with you, because uh, hopefully you will get some women wanting to understand, go under training, and try and get this business running in UK. So your contact number I can see there on the screen.
Yeah.
So is there anything else you want to tell, where they look for it? Is that the WhatsApp number, right?
Yeah, this is WhatsApp number, and Aqua Miracle is available on Facebook. I have a page, and I'm on available on LinkedIn also. And yes, anyone want to reach to me, they can come to you also. And I onboard entrepreneurs on BNI, where you can find, and we can find a lot of synergies together in as an entrepreneur. So it's all to develop this community, and help people to get rid of this. Yeah,
Okay, thank you so much,
thank
Mr.
you.
Gaikwad, for gracing our show with all that insightful and giving us an opportunity to share something with the women entrepreneurs, that there are lots of options to earn and have a strong financial uphold in the family, and do something worthwhile. Thanks a lot. It's now, can we go to Nishi again? Nishi, I'll just put you on spotlight. There you
Yes,
are,
yeah,
Nishi. Is it possible for you to share your screen now?
yeah. I'm just going to. Can you enable me as because
Yeah, I will. 1 minute.
Thanks.
Just a minute. There you are, the co-host now. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me just go now. And yeah, I can share it now, because just let me know if you can see
Yes,
the
we can
screen.
see.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, right. Okay, let me just.
We can
go.
see it.
Okay. So I'm going to talk about the three main insurances which I do. So these are basically protecting you and your family. So with the right protection in place, so we don't need to worry about the money at the times when the life can be challenging. And this is what we are talking about. The situations can change. People can have a very smooth life, and there is some incident can happen in their life, where we need the protection. So the main cover and the very popular cover in UK is the life insurance. So which I have already explained, where your dependents will receive a lump sum or the regular payments if you die. So that's a very straightforward insurance, which everyone should have it, actually, because we want to protect our partner, we want to protect our children, or we want to protect anybody who is dependent upon us. So if we are earning and that person is not earning, or we don't have enough money, where let's suppose something happens to me, and then the children are there, and then how are we going to support them? So what this life insurances gives, so this gives the support to have the lump sum amount when someone dies. So, and then that lump sum amount varies from person to person. You can have it from 100,000 to 500,000, even more than that. So sometimes some people cover the just the mortgage of the house. So for example, they have bought the house, they wanted to cover the mortgage, and they will just have the mortgage related policy, right? So in that, like, you know, if the house is worth of 300,000, if something happens to me, and you know, then the insurance provider will provide the cover for that 300,000 pounds. But if we want more than that, for example, the house is worth of 300,000, but you wanted to cover for more than, you know, another 200,000 for just to give the extra, you know, a comfort to your dependent. So then we will give the quotes accordingly. So, so the quotes will vary from each person, you know, depending upon their personal circumstances, what they do, what they earn, and how we can make it more, you know. So sometimes, like, let's suppose if young people are taking it, then it's more cheaper. But sometimes if we turn the age of more than 50 years, and then we take the insurance, sometimes it gets a little bit expensive, depending on, because then we have less years, you know, to cover. So sometimes it can be a little bit expensive. So I sometimes, you know, always say we should take the life insurance when we are young. So because anything can happen at any time. So that is a life insurance. Then we cover the critical illness. So that is kind of insurance where it's a tax-free one-off payment if you suffer a specific medical condition or injury. So it covers a lot of different medical conditions. Major ones are, you know, cancer, stroke, you know, there's so many others. But then I'm not going to talk about all the conditions here, because every provider is going to give the different conditions. So, so we need to. So whenever somebody wants a critical illness, so they will come, and then we will give the quotes to them, and we'll provide the different providers, what the different providers provides us. So according to that, you know, we will tell what is a tax-free lump sum amount you can get. So that is a critical illness. Then the third one is an income protection. So that is pays out a monthly sum, which is a percentage of your monthly income if you are off sick. So this is happening a lot now because of the situation from last 2 to 3 years. A lot of UK people have lost the job, and we know about it. Right, the system, even the Brexit condition, even the COVID condition. So there are a lot of families who are out of job. And I'm just giving you one example of one of my clients actually. And they have just taken the insurance just before COVID, right? So, and in the COVID, the jobs, you know, his job was lost. And then obviously there was no other way to provide the income to the family. Yes, the company does provide, we do get the SSP in UK, but then only, you know, it depends upon the, you know, if we have worked for, you know, that company for that long or not. So it all depends upon that.
Nishi, 1 minute, Nishi, I don't know whether, are you showing the presentation, because we can just see one slide on the screen.
You can only see one slide. Okay, I can. Yeah, I'm just talking on this.
Okay,
slide
okay, fine. I thought that the
slides.
slides.
Yeah, I will go further. So yeah, so basically, so these are this slide basically giving the three, you know, three insurances we cover. So I am going to talk about now. I'm just going to share the another screen where I'm going to go about your family and the need for the protection, why we need it. So if some of you we are in a relationship, right? In a marriage, in a partnership. So if one person dies, how would the survivor pay the mortgage and the bills? So would you be able to support your family and keep your home if one of you are off sick? If one of you is diagnosed with a critical illness, how would your family cope financially? So these are the questions which comes when we do the insurances. So I was literally surprised to see this slide actually, when it says 1:2 born after 1960 will be diagnosed with a cancer in their lifetime. That is a statistic showing. So this is when I read this slide, then I was really, it was really like an eye opener for me, like how the statistics is showing, like how much in our other in another future years, we can get this, any illness, anybody can get it. And then 19,500 pound is the average cost of the household bills for a year, and how we are going to pay this. So we do need insurance for the critical illness, for the income protection. So, and then if we have, what are the risks, we are having it. So before the retirement at the age of the 67, a couple both age 34 and the non-smoking. So this is the statistics which is showing us risk of being off sick for 2 months or more. Risk of suffering a serious critical illness for men is 16% and for women it's 13%. And risk of death. So if one of the person is dies, what is going to happen to our home? So 5% are on the risk of the death with the men and 4% with the women. So this is the statistics which is showing us, every 22 minutes in the UK, a parent of child under 18 dies. I mean, that is really like, sad figure, and 27% of the families suffer the loss of income due to ill health, serious illness, or death of a partner. So the example I was going to give to you about the client actually, who took another insurance, which I'm going to talk about, the accident and the injury actually before the COVID. So I was talking to the client, and then he took the insurance, and unfortunately that person had an accident and it was hospitalized for about 20 days in the hospital, and then had a lot of injuries on the back and the neck and the shoulder, which they said is non-repairable, which is really sad to hear. But he took the insurance, is a different kind of insurance, which I'm going to talk about here. That's why I raised this, scenario. So this is a MetLife insurance. I'm not going to show it onto the slide on this one actually. So this is a MetLife insurance. So this insurance is basically covers any accident or any sickness you have. And then let's suppose, so for example, this client has taken this MetLife insurance, and then this client was actually in the hospital for 20 days. So this provider paid the client for those 20 days. So, and then that actually was really relief, because then that person has, can't do the job, don't have the, means to pay the bills. But then because of taking this insurance, so he has got some money where he can, actually, get the help for the household bills. So this company, MetLife, actually provides the insurance for up to the hospitalization for up to 90 days. So for example, if somebody is in the hospital for 10 days, at the one for the one scenario, and then the insurance provider will provide the amount for that. So this is around £50 to £250 per day. So depending upon what the client gets the cover for. If he takes a 1 unit, then it's a £50. If he takes a 5 units, then it's around the £250. So that is another fourth type of the insurance we cover. So then we also cover the, I'm not going to show you the slide for that actually, because there's too many slides here, and then we don't have enough time to go through all that. I think when I will have a full 1 hour session, then I'm going to, cover all of those slides. Then next and the last one insurance I cover is a home insurance. So this is like a very general type of insurance which everyone in the UK needs it if you own a house. So anybody looking for the home insurance, so we provide the quote for that depending upon, you know, size of your house, location of your house, contents of your house. So on the basis of that, we provide the quotes for the home insurance. So these are all types of the home insurance. So basically, so all the 5 types of insurance: life insurance, critical illness, income protection, MetLife, which covers the accident and injuries, and another one is a home insurance. That is all types of insurance I cover. And I wanted to show you one thing. It's not very expensive insurance, right? So, but then it does look like, you know, we are, you know, let me just show you what I wanted to show you. Yeah. So we are going to compare the cost of the cover here, right? So the life insurance starts from £8 a month. So depends upon if we are going to get for 100,000, you know, 150,000, 200,000, and it goes up to, you know, any figure actually.
Is there a new slide now, Nishi?
Yes. Can you see that slide?
We can't see that. It's
okay, which slide you can see now?
Personal protection presenter, just the one first slide.
Okay, right. Okay, let me just stop sharing and I'm going to share the another screen. Oh, so can you see this? Oh, okay. I don't know why it's right. Okay, let me just go on to.
Or else you can just talk about it. That's completely fine.
I think I can talk about it maybe.
Yeah.
So because I thought, so is that all the time you are seeing only this screen?
Yes, yes.
Oh, right. Okay, that's a little bit odd because I was showing the different screens actually here.
Moving.
You can just maybe change the slide and check, no?
Yeah, I have done that, but somehow it's just...
Never mind.
Yeah. Okay, right. Okay. I think maybe there is some glitch on the system, looks like, because I was showing the different slides anyway. Yeah. So basically what I was going to talk here is, so we give the monthly subscription to our live TV streaming service, right? So this is like, you know, when we take even for the TVs and we take the large takeaway pizza. So this is around £1,000 monthly, you know, we can spend on that. So we go to cinema, we, you know, just for the 2 tickets with the popcorn, right? And then, so this is what I'm trying to say is this is the amount of insurances you can insure with, like £8, £10, £15. You don't have to go for a very big amounts here. So, but then if we see, like, you know, this all insurances are helping us in some way, and then we will feel, you know, we are insured, and then we will have a peace of mind for that. So yeah, that's all the insurances I covered. I do have a colleague actually, you know, who covers the mortgage advice as well. All the kind of right to buy, to let, any mortgage types, anything to do with the properties. So if anybody is looking for any mortgage advices, so they can come to me, and then I can, you know, obviously guide them to the, you know, right channel. That's our in-house system. So any questions?
Nishi, I have a question. So the mortgage advice which you gave, you know, so you are not a full-fledged mortgage advisor, but it's part of what you do, right? Is that so?
So yes, so I am qualified as a protection advisor. So the mortgage advisor, one of my colleagues does it, right? So I can obviously provide the details. So when somebody comes to me, then I can provide the details to them, and then they can share everything to do with the property to them. So that's how we work. Yes, so it's from the same company. So we work together. with each other. So with the mortgage protection, I can pass the details to the qualified persons, but I don't give mortgage advice by myself.
Okay, the insurance sector is not much exploited in UK, and I think so. They're very limited companies. What do you think?
You mean, what do you mean? Do you mean the insurance providers, or are
Providers.
you talking about
Providers.
Basically so we do have a lot of top providers, you know. So there are so many companies. So if you see, like, for example, you are going for the house, like you are going to buy the house. Now it's a necessity. You need to have a life insurance.
Okay.
So there is no escape to that. So people who are going to buy the house, they are going to get the life insurance, because that is the most priority now. No, we do have a lot of providers in UK actually. You will be surprised to know the many providers. And so I deal here with the very, very big providers, but I'm not going to give the name of any provider, but you must have heard, like, Legal and General, Aviva, Prudential, or Vitality. So I'm not going to specifically say, but then I deal with all type of these providers, right? Then there are so many other providers on the, I don't know if you have ever, noticed on even the TVs, there's so many companies in UK who provide insurance. Because what happens is, I have thought in UK, in India, insurance works differently, right? So, but in UK, we need insurance for everything. Right?
Yes.
We literally,
even to watch TV.
Even to watch TV, like, for example, you see, for the travel insurance, I mean, I don't do travel insurance at the moment. I used to refer travel insurance before. I don't do, but I'm just giving example. Like, when I was in India, I never had travel insurance. Right?
Yes.
So, but here we cannot go out without travel insurance. We need to have a travel insurance.
Agree.
Car insurance. I mean, in India now, people do have car insurance as well now, right? But I remember, but in India, like, we used to drive scooters. We never thought about the full-time insurance, right? And
Yes.
I only realized when I lost my scooter. Right? We need to have insurance. But here, we buy the car, we have to have insurance. We buy the home, we have to have insurance. So,
well, that's very insightful. I am completely impressed by the way you are trying to rise higher in whatever you're doing. You're trying to be aggressive in your marketing skills, and you are the kind of women entrepreneurs who can really bring in more and more women entrepreneurs on this platform, be inspired to do better, and work towards the financial independence. Thank you so much, Nishi, for being part of Inspiring Indian Women and sharing what you do. And I hope, let me just put the two entrepreneurs here on spotlight along with Nishi there. Baba Saheb.
Can I just say, Rashmi ji, can I just say one sentence before we do that? I also, so even though I provide the insurances, but if somebody wanted to come into this field, then I can guide them to go into this field as well. So if any woman wanted to come and then learn insurances and then wanted to have a degree on it, and then we can talk about that, and then that can open quite a lot of fields for the women as well.
Yeah, so that's wonderful, because at IIWE Outlet we not only provide the platform to sell, but we also want entrepreneurs to connect, expand, evolve, and get together, network, and teach each other how to move ahead and expand the business. We're so grateful to both of you to have come here to bring forth another opportunity to do business and how to go about it. So we have Nishi Gill on the right-hand side, and we have Baba Saheb Gaikwad ji on the left-hand side. So both of them are available for you to contact. Please connect with us and understand how you can start a business of your own in collaboration with them. Thank you once again. This is Inspiring Indian Women signing off. Namaste to all those who watched us. Take care. Goodbye.
Thank you, Rashmi ji. So, since you have invited me on this platform, and this platform is specifically designed for like motivating women entrepreneurs, and we have Nishi ji with us. So, I would like to understand a little bit more on her business. What are her clients and how I can help her also? So, who are your clients and how I can help her also?
Hello. Sorry.
What are her clients and how I can help her also? So, who are
Your voice is disconnecting, I think.
The voice is breaking,
yeah,
Baba Saheb.
yeah. Are they good people who can give you business?
Sorry, can you
Sorry.
reframe your question again, please?
You're breaking, Baba Saheb.
Yeah. Is it better now?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, sorry about that. So what I mean to say, like every business have their client spaces, and we might be looking for a particular segment where we find clients. So Nishiji, for your business, what are your best clients? Where do you look your clients? So are letting
So,
agents good for you?
right. Sorry, which agent?
Letting agents or real estate consultants?
Yes, yeah, letting agents. But what I do is I only provide insurances in UK. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Okay.
but yeah, letting agents, estate agents, who are looking for, but people who are looking for the houses as well, we can
Mm-hmm.
refer to them because they need life insurances. People who are who think their jobs can go as well, they wanted to protect their income, is the we can think about those as well. But how I do is I actually haven't done too much marketing, like on a big scale. It's a word of mouth. People know me as a Nishi and they know what I provide to them.
Mm-hmm.
And it's basically is a closed network, where I am approaching at the moment. But I am now thinking to go on a wider scale, where I can get my clients from all over UK.
Yeah. So what I will do, Nishiji, I will connect you with one of the property consultant and who can give you recurring businesses in that case, like house insurance or uh, like there might be some other commercial insurances also associated.
Okay.
So
Okay, that's very kind of you. Yeah, that's something, obviously I'm looking to grow, where we can get the clients on very regular basis.
yeah.
So yeah.
So one property consultant, and I will be able to connect you with one of the letting agent in Hounslow East. I hope
Oh,
that
okay.
helps.
I live very, very, very near to me, to be honest. So I live in a Langley, Berkshire area. So it's only
Okay,
15, 20 minutes from me. So
that's really nice.
that's
Yeah. So apart from that, now since I have this referral partners for you at this moment, but yes, now I know your business and I will keep my eyes and ears open for you where you can help people to get good insurances and definitely we can work as a good collaborative partners. You work in insurance which is maybe reactive or protecting and I work in assurance. Assurance is the first and insurance is second, so we can go hand in hand and yes, so as a
yes.
consultant, you can do overall consulting like I'm protecting you from damages, but if you want to get protected from uh, to avoid damages, so we can work together. So let's do one
Yes,
business
yeah,
one to one together.
definitely. No, I like the idea. Thank you very much. So yeah, we will explore more ideas, and I will see as well how I can help you and
Mhm.
how I can help grow your business as well, so we can spread the word. So I have a lot of different platforms as well. So I can, obviously, put your details as well there so that people can reach
Sure.
you. Yeah.
And for my business, if someone want to drink water for 10 days, so that water is free of cost. I don't charge for the water
All
because
right,
those are the sample.
then you need to give it to me first then.
Yeah. So Hounslow East is the location of my base from where you can
Okay.
collect water and you can drink for 10 days, and that is my business. So within 10
Actually,
days,
to be honest, it's a very interesting topic. You have brought it here, and I have been looking for the some water system here as well.
mhm,
But as Rashmi ji told before, we here is more hard water,
yeah,
hair falling, etc. These problems are more. But I think maybe we can talk about this on a separate
yeah,
topic. I
absolutely.
think maybe because Rashmi ji might want to close this
Yeah, sure.
webinar, so she might have to be. Because she's very busy. She might have to go to another webinar.
Absolutely,
So maybe,
absolutely.
yeah, maybe we
Actually,
can
you know
talk
what? I'm
about.
really enjoying the conversation now because I have just one word to say now. Bingo. This is what we want in IIWE Outlet, to network and bring together growth as partners. That is what we want. Thank you so much. You have actually opened the box for us, and this webinar has been wonderful in what we believe in. Let's hope so we do better and better as day goes by. Yep.
Definitely. No,
So should I
thank you
sign
very
off
much,
now?
Rashmi ji. Thank you, thanks to you.
Thank you very
You
much.
have
Thank you.
given us
Thank you.
opportunity to come here.
Our pleasure. Indeed, our pleasure. You believed and you can. Thank you very much, Baba Saheb Ji, as well as Nishi. I will end this show now. Take care. Goodbye from Inspiring Indian
Goodbye.
Women.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank
Cheers.
you. Bye.